Petrol engine training model is specifically designed for the disassembly and reassembly of an MPI turbocharged engine, making it an essential tool for understanding engine components and mechanical principles. Develop skills in removing and reinstalling key engine components, such as the cylinder head, pistons, crankshaft, valves, and all other till full disassembly. Focus on the physical and mechanical aspects of engine maintenance without the distraction of complex electronic systems or sensors. Practice timing belt and auxiliary belt replacement, learning to adjust tension and ensure correct alignment of engine systems. Manually rotate engine 360 degrees to access all parts easily, ensuring full visibility for assembly and disassembly tasks. This trainer provides a focused learning experience on engine mechanics, emphasizing disassembly and reassembly techniques while fostering a critical understanding of each component's function to enhance diagnostic and repair skills. To learn more, visit AutoEDU.com or contact our team.